Cheap Homesteading, and today we're working on my '08 Mazda B2300. My heater fan has been on the fritz for the last little bit, and those cold mornings when I got frost, I had to pop the hood and give the fan a good bang, and then the fan would start up. I know there's something wrong in the fan, so I ordered one up, and we're going to install this tonight. So let's go. I have a Mazda B2300. And the heating and cooling fan is in a good location. It's inside the engine compartment, easy to get to. So you got a tab here, you pull back and push the plug off. And that is what the plug looks like. And then you pull this tube off, and there's a little strap that goes around to keep it from falling off. And you just get that out of the way. So now you're going to remove the 4 8mm bolts that holds the fan in. And then it should just pull right out of there. So you got the fan out, make sure there's nothing in there, because rodents somehow make their way in there, and they could possibly build something up that actually stops the fan from turning. Now that looks really good, so we're just going to install the new fan. What I got was a 4 Seasons blower motor. It's a 75891. It actually comes with the squirrel cage, which is kind of nice. And it's a little different because it has an external plug, but it'll all fit together. It sure looks like it anyways. So make sure it looks the same as the other one. The holes are all in the same place. We got the hole there and the hole there. These people are cheap. They didn't even send a new gasket. I probably should have ordered that. So we're gonna try to pry it. We're gonna try to peel it off of here. Every little bit costs more, I guess. Okay, so there we go. Came off in pretty much one piece. There's a flat side. You make the flat side on the gasket match up. Goes somewhere here. So I used the old gasket. As long as you keep this flat side all lined up, all the holes line up nicely. Okay, so now we're going to throw the pipe back on. You have to put it around the wire or the plug. And you make sure that you fish it till it's fully in the groove and it's not coming out of there. And this elastic kind of, and this rubber part goes around the motor so it can't pop off. Okay, so now you just plug the plug in. Get that down out of the way. So there you go. If we turn this on, it should fire up. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, and the fan is working. Such luxury is having heat. I looked on Amazon and I couldn't find a decently priced blower motor for this car. So I went to, we have this auto supply store and it's called Caps. And they have really good prices. And I got this blower motor there, and it's about 60 bucks Canadian, which was a pretty good price. Because on Amazon, looking through everything, it was about like 89 to about 150. and I really couldn't get it for about a month. So you kind of know that it's just coming from China. So I was super happy with it. Great price, and that was just my local parts store. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.